Revathi from Chennai. I have attended Python class at Besant Technologies, and my trainer was Arunat sir. He took all the concepts very well and good, and he cleared every concepts clearly. And if we are asking doubts again and again, he's telling more and more about that. We are learning a lot of new things, and I have learned a lot of new concepts and things. And every week he will give an assignment on which the topic he took on that week, so it will be more understandable concepts to practice us more. And my course started at October 4th and ended November 25, 2021. And he gave a small mock test to test our knowledge that how we understand Python based on his training. I have attended that mock test and scored good marks. I at some time I will ask many doubts regarding that concepts, and he will explain very well and good. So he's a good trainer and is mainly a friendly trainer. And Rohit sir is my coordinator. He supported very well from starting to end. I have not only took Python course, I have took Python, AWS and DevOps.